In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variation swatches in Woocommerce. This simple yet effective task can greatly enhance your online store by giving your customers a dynamic, visually appealing way to select product variations. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to WordPress.com. This is your one-stop shop for managing your website. If you don't have a WordPress account already, you'll need to create one. But if you do, simply proceed to the login page. Once you're there, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This will take you into the heart of your website's management system, the WordPress dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll see a menu on your left. Look for the Plugins option and click on it. Plugins are essential tools in WordPress that add specific features to your site, like adding these variation swatches we'll be implementing today. With the Plugins page open, you'll want to add a new plugin. So, click on the Add Plugin button at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens, as it will allow us to search for and implement the exact functionality we want. In the search bar, type Woocommerce Variation Swatches. Woocommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform used for building online stores, and its Variation Swatches plugin is highly regarded for its ease of use and extensive customization options. After entering the search, you'll see the plugin appear in the results. Click on the one you're looking for, which is Woocommerce Variation Swatches. Once you've found the right plugin, it's time to install it. You'll see an Install button on the plugin page. Click on it, and the installation process will begin. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll also need to activate it. To do this, simply click on the Activate button. Activation is crucial as it allows the plugin to operate on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added variation swatches to your WooCommerce store. This feature enables your customers to see product variations like colors, sizes, and styles displayed visually, making their shopping experience more intuitive and engaging. Remember to explore all the settings and customization options available in the WooCommerce Variation Swatches plugin, as personalizing these to match your store's theme can really make your products pop. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover. Happy selling, and see you in the next tutorial.